You don't need 20 habits. You don't need to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. You need a system you'll actually stick to. Here's the simplest daily routine for self-improvement. 1. Wake up early enough to be intentional, not rushed, not reactive. Wake up before the world needs you and give your time to yourself first. Even 30 quiet minutes can shift your entire mindset. 2. Move your body. Lift, run, walk, stretch. You're not just building strength. You're teaching your mind that motion wins over excuses. 3. Plan your day. Not in your head, on paper. Write down 3 priorities, nothing more. Clarity beats overwhelm every time. 4. Eat like someone who respects themselves. Don't treat your body like a trash can. Whole foods, protein, water. Energy and focus start with what you put in. 5. Learn something. Even 5 pages a day adds up. Listen to something that sharpens you. Don't just feed your body, feed your mind. 6. Go outside, even for 5 minutes. Sunlight, air, stillness. It recalibrates you, especially when the world feels heavy. 7. Do something difficult on purpose. Cold shower, hard workout, tough task. Every time you face resistance instead of avoiding it, you grow stronger and more grounded. 8. Reflect at the end of the day. Ask yourself, where did I win? Where did I fold? And where can I be better tomorrow? That's how you stack progress. That's it. No apps, no fluff, no perfection. Just 8 simple habits that rebuild you from the inside out. Do them daily and watch everything change.